So I finished my part and it's fit here, and the jack point is coming over as original. I will prepare that now, clean, make flat for the welding. I'm swapping from one job to the other, but I must to finish to weld the body parts before to do the jack point and the reinforcement. Finally, I bought myself a new welding helmet, as my old one has no setting at all, and I need eyeglass, so sometimes it's really difficult. So let's see what's going on. There's setting here, and there is settings again there. I will use rivets to join the two pieces of metal. Sans déconner, oh. Mais sans déconner, mais c'est pas possible. Hein? Et merde. As you can see down on the seal, there's too many small holes, and because I did the mistakes by grinding, it's really beginner mistakes, but I did it. I grinded too much. I wanted to fill in the holes by welding, and I did this catastrophe. Obviously, I must repair that before to put the body filler, and I will try to use a pewter. I never did that before, but it's a good occasion to try. I use the classic rivets to maintain as much as I can, really tight, without gap, the two parts of metal, because I don't have anything else. And finally, it's working well. I know that there is special rivet for body shop, but I don't have. I must order that because it looks like it's really useful. Marvelous.
Wait.
Honestly, it was not a good day for welding, for her and for me, and we were really frustrated. We tried many settings, and honestly, nothing changed. Just when we worked outside the car on an old piece of metal from the car, our tack welding was almost perfect. But when it was the time to come back to work on the car, our work was a shit. Really frustrating day. But what to do? We must continue to improve ourselves.
Boom lang.
Merde. I'm done with this side. I just have to put the sealant, but I will do later. I'm tired now. That's it for this video. It's already 15 minutes. In the episode 7, I will fix the inner and outer rear wing. I will put some sealant underneath the chassis and inside the car on the floor to protect the welding. And I will put also some insulation. So hope to see you again and enjoy the video. Please subscribe and comment. Cheers.